Now let's start with implementing middleware in React application. And we are going to start with logger middleware, and we have already understood what is middleware and how we implement logger middleware. So now inside this React application, directly I will be starting with the steps. So entire steps will be same. Only thing, instead of checking the logs in the terminal, now we are going to check the logs inside our console. I will open terminal. I will stop my React app, and inside this I will write npm install redux-logger. Using this, I am installing my logger middleware. Okay, to check if it is installed or not, come to package.json, and inside this dependency, you can see Redux logger is added. I will close. Once it is done, I'm just going to start my application. Okay, my application is started, and I'm just going to close this first one. I will close the terminal. Successfully, we have installed our logger middleware, using which we can log all the information related to our Redux application. Then second step, inside store.js, we have to import our logger middleware. From here, first let me remove this pizza reducer. Now below this, I'm just going to import my logger middleware. I will write import logger from Redux logger. Then third step, from our Redux library, we have to access apply middleware. So previously we have already accessed create store from Redux. So here only I'm just going to separate by comma, and then I will be writing apply middleware. Once we have apply middleware and logger in our hand, this apply middleware will be passed as second argument to this create store. I will be writing apply middleware. Inside this, we are going to pass our middleware as its argument. Now, our middleware is nothing but logger. So here, I will be writing logger. Now save it. Come here. Open terminal. Now inside this console, let me refresh. Now here, I'm just going to click on order pizza. Now you can see, I'm able to display the log. My action is order pizza. My previous state was this. Inside this burger, I am having 200. Inside pizza, I am having 1000. Now you can see my global state object is changed. Why? Because we are using two reducers and we have combined reducers. Then this was our action. The type is order pizza. Then inside this next state, my pizza base is reduced by 1, but my burger remains 200. Now I will come here. I will click on this order burger. I am able to display the logs. Similarly, now this was my previous state because I have reduced the pizza by 1 and my burger buns remains 200. Then my action was order burger. Now the next state is burger buns will also be reduced by 1, and whatever value I was having for pizza base, that will be returned. Again I will click on this burger buns. Previous state, you can see my previous state. Then this will be my action, and finally this will be my next state where my burger buns is reduced by 1. So just implement middleware in your application and try to see different logs and try to see what was the previous state, what is the next state, and how everything will be calculated. So here first we have installed the package. Second, we have imported logger. Then third, we have imported apply middleware from Redux, and then we have passed as second argument to create store, and inside that we are passing our middleware.